Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your driver's seat of your car, and of course your passenger seat and your back bench, of course, with distilled water and hot soap. Hot soap or court soap is a kind of soap. Examples are Aleppo soap, Castile soap, and Marseille soap, or savon de Marseille. During the preparation of the soap, common salt, sodium chloride, is added to the liquid soap mass. This leads to the soap mass separately from glycerin, resulting in a hard soap. It can be made using sodium hydroxide. And we are going to dip a little bit of distilled water in a jar, as you can see. We are going to get the hot soap in it and producing some hot soap liquid with the hot soap. Of course, as you can see, you can shake it, you can rotate it a little bit, and then it will be a hot soap liquid for your cleaning process later. If the water is getting to a milky liquid, it is enough. Now extract the hot soap out of the water and then use a sponge, and you can see some bubbles there, and we are going to use a sponge to get the hot soap water on top of your surface at your driver's seat. For example, in this case, you can clean all types of car seats with this process. Only at leather I will go to use another product like Bio Boy. So you can see now we are rotating and gave a massage to the seat with the hot soap water, and it gives there are some bubbles. That is a normal case. It is important to use distilled water because in distilled water there's nothing than only water. As you can see, we are going from the center of your sulfur pot to the outside. This is important to get the dirt out there. And the distilled water is a water that has been boiled into vapor and condensed back into liquid in a separate container. Impurities in the original water that do not boil below or that boiling point of water remain in the original container. Use distilled water as one type of purified water. And you can see this water is made without any ingredients, and the hot soap is made without any ingredients except the soap. And this will clean your areas at your seat easily, really easy. And do not clean it too much wet. Maybe you can see there are some bubbles, maybe you can see there is a liquid, and that it is enough. So now let's clean all of the surfaces on top of your driver's seat, for example. So now you can see everything on the bottom side is cleaned very well. Now it's the next step. We're going to get back the sponge, a cleaned sponge without hot soap. Now the main act is only the distilled water and a sponge. And then we are going to get a second round with the distilled water and the sponge to get the soap and the dirt out of your surface. So easy now, wipe again the second round without soap, and after this, job's done. Now it's time to dry. Dry the cotton, and after this, maybe your surface is a little bit of hard, but this is normal. This is a little bit of soap. But if you're using this cotton, it's no problem anymore. So, though you can clean your driver's seat, your passenger seat, and your back bench if it is a cotton sofa style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.